Is Javi again this side studying in 9th class in ZPHS Kotpeta Elementary. Agriculture is the profession for most of the people in India. We mainly depend on the agriculture for fulfilling our food requirements. The farmers and agriculture laborers are striving a lot to increase crop yield year by year. To increase the crop yield, the farmers are using chemical fertilizers and pesticides in large quantity in India. Sustainability, when we use the natural resources at optimum level, we will have them for the future, which is known as sustainability. In olden days, the agriculture practices are traditionally so people remained healthy, but due to increased population, farmers adopt new agriculture practices which affects sustainability. According to survey report, we analysis that using chemical fertilizers, pesticides and pesticides, the pollution of soil, water and air takes place, which in turn affects the life on the earth. Sustainability means the harmony of agriculture and environment. In view of this, the farmers of our country have to implement the eco-friendly methods of agriculture like biofertilizers, biopesticides, biomanuring to continue the ecological balance on the earth. People have to develop the awareness on the proper uses of natural resources. Awareness is to be created among the public regarding the importance of sustainability of the natural resources. Excessive uses of natural resources, harmful practices in agriculture like fertilizers, pesticides will lead to the imbalance in the ecosystem and causes pollution in many ways. If we use chemical fertilizers, pesticides, herbicides in large quantity, we will get more crop yield. The farmers are increasing the quantity of chemical fertilizers for increasing the crop production, but there is slight increasing in the crop production, but in the long period of time continuous and excessive uses of chemical fertilizers lead to decrease of soil fertility and its natural composition. Uses of chemical fertilizers and pesticides in large amount is to be controlled. Uses of natural manure, organic manure, biofertilizers like bacteria, algae and fungi is to be implemented. The pests are to be controlled by using natural methods like predator eating method, applying neem products. Thank you, all of you.